Hello, my springlocks, ghosts, and others. You might be wondering why you're here now today in Flipperclip, because I don't do Flipperclip anymore. Well, I still have it. And yes, I am posting this very early in the morning. I didn't get sleep. But I'm trying to animate, as you can tell. But I managed to do some okay syncing with whatever the audio is saying right now. At least part of it. And it's Scott Smager 0001. Is it 0001? I think that's how it is. It must be. Anyway, Scott Smager from Third Life.
They're currently trying to disarm.
I didn't get much of it, but Fifth, yeah. Spoilers.